analysis. We have analysis tools. We have cartography tools, conventional tools. You can click on them, open it, depending on whatever you are interested in doing. Raster processing to shape files. See, data management tools. We have all this, which I'm also going to show you the useful of it, how you can use it to analyze the important and the differences of them among each other. You can see we have several of them. All these tools are here, so these are your tools. But whenever you are about to do analysis, you come here to choose the tool that is suitable for your analysis. Then we go to your tools box. Table of content. This is my table of content. I pin my table of content here. I can delete it. I can pin it as well. But in my customize, I can also go to my tag tools. Now these are the places where we enable our mini point to be up functioning. So I can untick this. You can see I've left. I can untick this and untick everything. So that I work, I'm also in them back. Depend on what that is interested for me at the moment. Editing. Remember, all these tools, but they are very, very important. But I'm only interested in these few of them. I make use of everything that you're seeing here. So we move over to extension. Extension. For example, now there are sometimes that when you tick these things, you cannot make use of them. So what happened? You come extension to tick to activate that particular tools. So this is where we activate the tools. Most of the tools in customize. Close it. Now, if you want to, these are your processing. You can process your DMIA, your image. You can click your buffer. You're interested. So many. Then, if you are interested to add your data, come here. You click. Go to your where you store your folder. You can connect your folder and your system, your desktop. Connect your folder here. Let's say, for example, you connect to my folder. I'm interested in all them. Under all them, I'm interested in land use. So these are it. Work on land use, cover. Okay, so you can see what there is here. Amenities. You have your here you save your data, you complete, you import the data. You also have selection by all this one will be active when you add your data. Just I can start to create my new folder. Come to new. So I have my new folder here. I can can name it. Tutorial. So everything about local maps, geological maps, drainage maps, I can decide to use this folder for that particular job. Subscribe.